So guys, my name is Krishna Ignathra Shangare. Today we are studying for Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamental Certificate. So guys, you can study study for the exam from Azure Microsoft site learn.microsoft.com. Here you will see level beginner, role administrator, and product Azure. And here is their last updated date. So from here you can prepare for the exam, practice for the exam, and take the exam. So in practice for the exam, there is a three models: introduction to cloud infrastructure, describe cloud concept; introduction to cloud infrastructure, describe Azure architecture and services; introduction to cloud infrastructure, describe Azure management and governance. From here, you also can practice for the exam or take the assessment. See about prepare for the exam. Practice for the exam is from here you can take the exam. So you can here from select the price. The United States price is $99. You can select here stay your country. See price in your country. I am selecting India. So you can see that 3691 the price for the exam. Can schedule exam from here by clicking on schedule exam. Can fill basic details of you first name, middle name, and last name. Now, now for today, we focus on prepare for the exam. So, can study the first module, introduction to cloud infrastructure, and describe cloud concept. From here, there is a three sub modules: describe cloud computing, describe benefits of user cloud services, describe cloud services service types. Can go to describe cloud computing. From here, you can study the subtopics of in introduction to Microsoft Azure Fundamentals, introduction to cloud computing, what is cloud computing, describe the share responsibility, find the cloud models, describe the consumption based model. You can take the module assignment at the last and summary. So the second sub module describe the benefits of cloud services. From here you can describe the benefits of using cloud services, the different of clouds will like ability and scalability in the cloud, benefits of reliability and predictability in the cloud, describe the benefits of security and governance in the cloud, describe the benefits of management cloud, describe the sustainability consideration in the cloud, and take module assignment at the last. Every sub module you can attempt the assessment test. So today we are only focusing on first module, that is describe the cloud computing. So this module we learn the Azure fundamentals and the what is cloud computing. There are first the Azure provides three cloud provides three services, that is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. In infrastructure as a service, the most of the resource, most of the data, most of the application is handled by company, and you are managed by AWS. It has more control of their as service. In platform as a service, the application and data is managed by company. All others are managed by AWS. SaaS application and all are managed by AWS. So can show you the production as a service. So first question is, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is where you can does not have to manage resources. Means resources means what, does not have to manage physical hardware like your laptop, something like that. You can create your virtual machine on the cloud. There is a service offered by Azure, which is Azure Virtual Machine, where you can create your virtual machine, add RAM, disk space, all of the functionality based on this. So, AW, Azure Arc. Azure Arc is lets you to manage everything from one place, even server and services that are not on it. Azure VMware is a solution. Azure VMware solution lets you to run your existing VMware workloads on Azure cloud without any changes. What is consumption based model? The consumption based model, you only pay for what you no use, no payment. Two types of cost model: traditional model, consumption based model. Traditional model is nothing but a capital expenditure, and consumption based model is nothing but OPEX, means operational expenditure. So what is capital expenditure? Capital expenditure means like a traditional model where if you do not that service, then only you then cost is added to your billing. But in consumption based model, you only pay for what you use. If you do not use that service, then you have not to pay. What is service level agreement? Service level agreement is a promise made by Microsoft about how much time their services will be available and running. Usual SLA percentage are different. SLA percentage downtime per week, downtime per month, downtime per year. 99% means downtime per week is 1.68 hour, downtime per month is 7.2 hour, and downtime per year is 3.65. 99.9% means 10.1 per week and 43.2 minutes per month and 8.7 hour per year. Your application or what has downtime this much. What is scalability? Scalability means your system can handle more or less work by increasing or decreasing resources. Make existing server bigger or smaller. There are two types of scaling: vertical scaling, horizontal scaling. Make existing server bigger or smaller. Horizontal scaling means add more servers or remove servers. Auto scale VMSS means Azure function means auto scale automatically. What is reliability? Reliability means your system keeps working even when something fails. It is a pillar of the Microsoft Azure well architecture framework. So, guys, uh, done for today. We can study other services and of Azure in next lecture. Thank you, student. Bye bye.